Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be taking a look at the Apple Watch Survival Kit. Just a very small kit in this tight little box. And yeah, get right into it. To waterproof this, I was thinking honestly just wrap it in a nice plastic bag and then just tape it up really good with some duct tape, create a layer with it. And this would be a nice kit you can just stash in the side of the kayak or something like that. Yeah, as you can see, we got a lot of stuff shoved in here. Right on top, we have our magnification lens. Didn't either work good for first aid or fire starting. Here we have our survival card, which has a fork or a spearhead, 2 needles, a nice plethora of hooks, an arrowhead, and then 2 line collectors right here. Here we have some snare wire, more good for either shelter making, or even making a spit to go over the fire, boil some water. Here we have our mini fishing kit or pocket fishing kit. There's some line here, a couple snap-on sinkers, a couple little bobbers, a couple leads, as well as a little bait crawdad, a little sheet of paper telling you how to tie some knots. For signaling, we have our Star Flash Micro Survival Series signal mirror. Has a plastic still on it. You just aim through here and flash for help. We have a very small first aid kit. We have 2 basic size bandages, 1 larger one, butterfly styled, and then 1 little thing of ointment, keep away the bacteria. We have another survival card. This one's a survival tool. So they have a screwdriver, knife, can opener, saw, bottle opener, hex wrench, a couple different ones here, and a ruler, and also a little thing to tie some line into so you can put it on your keychain or around your neck. For fire starting, we have some stormproof matches with a striker in a bag. We also have our ferrocerium rod. Put the strikers down yonder. Here's our striker, our ferro rod. I wasn't able to get a Bic lighter in here, sadly. I did try. For cordage, we have some bank line tied around some cardboard, a good amount of it. Either do some fishing with this or make a shelter with it. We have some safety pins, either to make an arm sling, fix some clothing or some gear, or improvise something else. We also have a sewing kit, 2 buttons, 2 safety pins, and a needle, 5 different threads. We also have some more snare wire here. This is copper. Just give you additional help with making shelter since there's no cover in here. We have a water activated towelette. This works really good for hygiene, just clean yourself up, or water filtration, or even first aid. Or you can use it as a tinder. We have water purification tablets, clean up your water. We also have the water containment bag if you don't have a bottle on you. And for cutting, we have our basic hacksaw saw blade, some electrical tape there, so you can make some deadfall traps, or little mechanisms, whatever it needs to be. Another form of signaling, we have a stainless steel signal whistle, very basic but pretty unbreakable. And we also have a razor, do any kind of very important cuts. This is mostly for first aid, because we have an additional little pocket knife here. Has the main blade. We have our descaler. We also have a pair of scissors. And it has nice little rubber things here so you can get a good grip on the knife. For navigation, we have a nice little button compass. Very tiny, but it works all the same. And also for first aid or gear repair or fire starting, we have a nice little sheet of duct tape. It's 1 little ply, but It'll help in any of those scenarios. And that's the kit, guys. We also have the box, so you could use this as a tinder if you really wanted to. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, what you guys would do differently. And I just want to say we're so close to hitting 1,000 subscribers on the channel, and that's awesome, guys. Thank you for all the support and love you guys have been showing. And just let me know how you guys feel in the comments. Have a nice day, and thank you guys for checking out the channel.